हेलो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे डीएवी क्लास 6 सोशल साइंस चैप्टर 17 द एरा ऑफ हर्षा के क्वेश्चन आंसर। अगर आपने अब तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ए, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट, थानेसर इज लोकेटेड इन, इसका आंसर होगा बी, हरियाणा। सेकेंड, राज्यवर्धन केम टू थ्रोन इन, इसका आंसर होगा ए, 605 कॉमन एरा। थर्ड, which one of the following books was not written by King Harshvardhan himself? Answer A, Harshcharitra. Fourth, Nalanda was granted the income received from, answer D, villages. Fifth, the Chinese traveler who came to India during Harsha's rule was A, Hayun Tsang. B, fill in the blanks. First, Rajshri was the daughter of King, answer Prabhakar Vardhan. Second, Harshcharitra was written by, answer Banbhat. Third, to assist Harsha in administration, there was a dash, answer Council of Ministers. Fourth, farmers had to pay dash of their produce as tax, answer 1/6. Fifth, the society was divided into dash varnas, answer 4. C, write true or false for the following statements. First, Harshvardhan was crowned in 606 Common Era. True. Second, Uparika was the head of the village. False. Third, Lord Shiva was not commonly worshipped during the reign of Harsha. False. Fourth, Harsha never gave alms to the needy and the poor. False. Fifth, Harsha was very respectful towards all the religions. True. D, answer the following questions in brief. First, which were the two main sects of Hinduism during Harsha's period? Answer, Vaishnavism and Shivaism were the two main sects of Hinduism during Harsha's period. Second, what was the main contribution of Prabhakar Vardhan as a king? Answer, the main contribution of Prabhakar Vardhan was the establishment of a large kingdom after the Guptas. Third, what happened after the Vardhan Empire lost its glory? Answer, after the death of Harsh, the Vardhan Empire lost its glory and some independent kingdom emerged. Fourth, name the rivers that meet at Sangam in Prayag. Answer, Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Fifth, why was Nalanda University famous? Answer, Nalanda University is famous as it is an international center of education. E, answer the following questions. First, describe the administrative system of Harsha. Answer, Harsha was the head of judicial and civil administration. He was also the commander-in-chief of his army and led his forces in war. He had a council of ministers to assist and advise him. The province was divided into Vaisyas and Pradesh. Uparika was the head of the province. His work was supervised by Uparika Maharaj or Kumar Matya, who was normally a prince. Second, explain the religious policy of Harsha. Answer, Harsha was a devotee of Shiva and worshipped Shiva and Surya. Some coins have been found in Furakabad bearing images of Parvati and Surya. But after coming in contact with Hyun Tsang, there was a great impact of Buddhism on him. He was very tolerant and respectful towards all the religions. Third, mention the public welfare works undertaken by Harsha for his people. Answer, Harsha was a benevolent ruler. He built temples, chaityas, viharas, dharmsalas, schools, etc. Nalanda University was granted the income received from 200 villages for its development and maintenance. 4. State the condition of society during Harsha's rule. Answer, the society was mainly divided into 4 varnas: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaisyas and Sudras. The Brahmins were highly respected. They led a pious life. People lived harmoniously. The Sudras didn't have a good position in the society. They had to live outside the towns. Fifth, give any 3 examples to prove that the economy during Harsaj region was well developed. Answer: the economy was well developed and people were prosperous and happy. Trade was flourishing and Kapisa was the center of international trade. Tamralipti was a famous port for foreign trade. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people. They had to pay 1/6 of the produce as tax. वीडियो देखने के लिए थैंक यू। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।